Hello everyone, I welcome you all to your channel Learn with Fun. I hope you all were waiting for our new video, but unfortunately we were unable to post it. But now the wait is over. We are here for all of you. We are going to learn something very informative today. Yes, so today we are going to learn few math tips and tricks. I hope you all are very anxious for our today's lesson. The topic of our today's lesson is times table. Do you want to become maths genius? So let's watch this full video. Let's start with 5 times table. As in our previous video, we have done with 2 times table, 3 times table and 4 times table. Now let's learn 5 times table. For this regard, you have to draw 5 columns and 2 rows table. And then you are going to add 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0. This will be the sequence of your first digit number. Then in 10 digits, we are going to put the numbers in pattern 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5. This will be the pattern we are going to follow. 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 and 5. So here we are. We have done with 5 times table. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. And 5 tens are 50. This is the most easiest way to learn 5 times table. Now let's move towards 6 times table. It's time to learn 6 times table. Few tips and tricks that will help you to remember 6 times table. For this regard, you have to draw 2 tables. Each will have 3 columns and 3 rows. So let's start adding. From bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. In the second table as well, we are going to add the numbers from bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 again. So now you are thinking what we are going to add in tens place. So start adding from here 0, 0, 0. Now in the second row, let's add 1, 1, 1. In the third row, add 2, 2, 2 and 3 with the 0. Now in the second table, let's add from the first row 3, 3, 3. In the second row, 4, 4, 4. In the third and the last row, 5, 5, 5 and then again 6. Now here is the interesting trick that you have to remember for 6 times table. Let's draw a diamond that will match the centers of the rows like this. Now start circling these numbers that have edges of the diamond like this 6, 12, 18, 24. Now for the last word that is 24, draw a line till 30 and draw a circle on it. Do the same with the next table. Draw a diamond shape. Then start drawing circles at the edges 36, 42, 48 and 54. Now draw a line till 6, 0 and draw a circle around it 60. Very nice. So we have done with 6 times table. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54 and 6 tens are 60. You can see all these answers in the circles. Like 6 ones are 6, it is already circled. 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. They all are circles, and this is how we have done with our 6 times table. So this is the most interesting trick. You just have to remember it and you will be mastering 6 times table. Dear viewers, now it's time to learn 7 times table. This is also the most interesting trick, and it will be so easy for all of you to remember 7 times table on your own. Let's start adding from the down to up. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's start adding from the first row, second row, and then the turn is third row. 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, and then at the last we are going to add 7, and with it we are going to add 0. So we have also done with our 7 times table. Well done, you have done great job. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, and 7 tens are 70. These are just simple tips and tricks that you have to master them, and then you will be able to remember times table. I hope you all have learned the tips and tricks related to times table till 7 times table, and it will surely going to help you to remember till 7 times table, because it will make the times table really interesting to remember. Now let's have a small quiz. You just have to think about it and answer me in the comment section. More is a keyword of subtraction or addition? More is a keyword of subtraction or addition? Think about it and answer me in a comment section. I will be waiting for your answers. Dear viewers, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this video will surely going to help you in remembering 7 times table, 6 times table and 5 times table. And please watch the previous video as well to learn tips and tricks related to 2, 3 and 4 times table. It will really going to help you to remember times table, and it will open up your minds as well. My dear viewers, if you like the video, don't forget to like it. You have to share it with your family and friends so that they can also learn the tips and tricks related to times table. Subscribe the channel if you haven't done yet. And please answer the think about it question in the comment section and let us know what kind of videos do you want to see more. I will be waiting for your response. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.